Corbin. Yes, you may. Okay, it's time for recess. It's 10 o'clock. It's time for reading. It's 11 o'clock. It's time for history. The Aztecs, not imitation. You saw It's 1 o'clock. Time to school. This is it. This is the curriculum that will finally make all my days super easy. Okay, sweetheart, this is your grammar on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And then this is your other grammar. We'll do this on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This is your spelling Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and sometimes Saturdays. And this is your other spelling on Tuesday, Thursdays, and every 7th Friday of the 2nd month of the year. We just want to make sure that there's no gaps or anything. Okay, so when you finish this on Monday, you put the orange star magnet on. And then when you finish this on Tuesday, you put 2 green magnets on. And then when you finish your book work, then you put the orange flower magnet on. And then when you finish your lunch and your cleaning up, then you'll put the peach magnet on it. And then that way I'll know wherever we are in our day and our routine. So you think you got that? Hey, Jessica, your daughter's in 4th grade at the public school, right? Oh, great. Tell me exactly what she's doing in math right now. Hi, Parkview Elementary. Great. Can you tell me what your standards are for 2nd grade? Oh, wow. Rachel's room looks really nice today. Oh, I can't believe Jessica's daughter is already reading at a 5th grade level. How did she do that? Look at Lisa going on a trip again, another field trip. How do they fit that into their day? Sarah has so much time to read for herself. How does she do that? I barely have time to take a shower. I did it. I can't believe I did it. I finally created a schedule that fits everything in and is perfect, and it's gonna make our days go so smooth. I just made the perfect schedule. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. This is a collab hosted by my good friend Leilani at Living with Eve. So you're gonna wanna check out her video and the other awesome homeschool moms who are doing the collab for things that homeschool moms stress about and really shouldn't. And I went with the things that I did today because these are things that I have definitely stressed about. So I was trying to be a little transparent there in the things that I've thought and the things that I've done. And just so you know, we're all in the same boat. We've all been there. We all stress about things like in this video. I just want to encourage you, you don't have to take yourself too seriously. You can laugh at the times where you've been overly stressed about things you didn't need to be. And you can know that each day you're just planting seeds. So thank you for being here. If you are new here, I'm Ashley. I'm a homeschool mom to my 3 kids. I've been doing it for the last 7 years, and I love to talk about Charlotte Mason homeschool, biblically based homeschool, and share resources for affordable homeschool on a budget. If you would love to hear more about that, please consider subscribing. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to share it with a friend as well. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.
I'm not drawing actually because it's pencil.
Okay, ready? And then make sure you put this pretty pink one on too.